Hi, my name is Ionada Scalo and welcome to my Nerikomi playlist. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I make my colored slip. My clay is stained 10%. If you want to see how I stain my clay, please check tutorial number 2. I take my clay and I roll it as thin as possible on my workboard. Now I will let it dry completely for a few days. Now that the clay has dried, I'm going to break it to small pieces into a bowl. I am using a strong plastic cup to help me break it. I pour water to cover the clay. I let it rest for a day and then I mix it thoroughly until I have it as smooth as cream. If I need to add some water, I can add some. Now my slip is ready for use.